Hey guys! So, it's been a couple days since I made a video. Mason's up, everybody's up. This isn't gonna take long, so I thought I'd just knock it out while Ben made a massive city using his smart wheels. So we're gonna stick kind of with the same theme of data. Not kind of, it is the same as data. This, last week you guys worked on coordinate grids, which is a huge part of being able to read and interpret data. And now we're gonna work on what's called the landmarks. And so we're gonna today do maximum, minimum, and range. If Mason wants me to the whiteboard. So we'll start with a data set. So you're gonna have about 5 numbers. Sometimes you may have more than that. But we'll do 12, 37, 8, 16, and to keep it at 5, we'll do 23. Okay. So you have 12, 37, 8, 16, and 23. So pause the video, and I want you to write down what you think your minimum is, what you think your maximum is, and then what you think the range is. And we did a little bit of this in class, so you hopefully know what those words mean. If not, we're going to talk about it when you come back. So pause the video, write down what the minimum, maximum, and range are for this data set. 12, 37, 8, 16, and 23. Okay. No, this is for paint. So hopefully you have these 3 data sets, or these 3 landmarks from your data set. So minimum is the smallest. Minimum means small. So the smallest number up here was your 8. So you should have written 8 down as your minimum. Maximum is the biggest number. So this time 37 was the biggest number that we had. This doesn't have water in it. Go ask Benjamin. Benjamin, put some water in this for me. Because I asked. So then you're going to take these 2 numbers, and for the range, you actually subtract. So range wants to know the distance from the smallest to the largest. So minimum's your smallest, maximum's your largest, range is the difference. Going so good, isn't it? Range is the difference between your minimum and your maximum. So we're going to take 37, and we're going to minus 8. Now I can't take 7 minus 8, so I'm going to have to borrow from my 3, okay? And that makes this a 17. 17 minus 8, we're going to start at 8 and count up. So it's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So that's a 9 and a 20 for your 2. Carry your 2 down. Ah, now Mason's attacking the phone. So my range is 29. Minimum's smallest, maximum's largest, range is you subtract. What's the difference between your smallest and your biggest? So I'm gonna hold the phone for a minute. Let's erase this. Thank you, Benjamin. It's a circus around here, guys. I'm just saying I miss you. Okay, let's give another data set, 5 more numbers. Let's do 6, 14, 28, 19, and 5. Okay. Sorry. So there's your numbers. You have 6, 14, 28, 19, 5. Pause the video. Give me your range. Amazing. Give me your range, minimum, and maximum. Okay? And then push play when you're ready. Okay, so we have minimum, maximum, and range. Okay, minimum is the smallest. So if we look up here, my smallest one was 5. Maximum is the biggest. Ben, which one's the biggest?
Let's see.
Yeah, maximum. Which one's the biggest? Which number is the biggest? 28. Very good. And so then we're going to take 28 and we're going to minus 5. Because we're going to take the difference between
Do you have a
your
number?
minimum and your maximum. Right here. I think it's broken. So 8 minus 5 is 4. No, it's not. Dusty, I hope you caught that. 8 minus 5 is 3. And then we'll bring down my 2. So my range is 23.
So I think
Okay,
know,
one more.
because I have something I want to say. Wait, no, I want to say
Honey,
something. Wait.
Let me finish.
This
real
is
quick.
actually 1.
Okay, 1 is one of your numbers. 16, 4, 8, and 10. Pause the video, find your minimum, your maximum, and then your range. Okay, hopefully you have those. Whoa, don't eat that. Good night. What's your minimum? 1. 1 is the smallest. Minimum means smallest. What's your maximum? Booms, what's the maximum up here? Oh, he's
1.
subtracting something. 1's the minimum. Which one's the biggest? What's the maximum?
10.
16 actually is the biggest. And so if we take 16 and we subtract 1, then our range is going to be 15. Okay, tomorrow we'll do mode, which is the one that shows up the most, okay? And I am gonna not do the video while the boys are awake. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.